Good afternoon, it's Seth again. Shaman's back in action. Yeah, it's got some fungus on there. Had to, Shaman. Yeah. Replace the shelf. And made some changes to make it shoot its aluminium arrows a little bit better. So let's try that. These ones are rubber flexed, which isn't ideal for these. I'm a little bit nervous of this bow because I did damage the handle. Come on, line up, Seth. Might change that a little bit. And here's the feathered one. I took the rubber flexions off and put feathers on there. Now I see where they use a different coloured arrow. Good. I'm going to put feathers in all of those, I think.